name is Vinod Gupta, and I would love to share my experiences for this entire chakra meditation session. So, to begin with, initially when we started in the first week for the root chakra, that was a pretty okay session. I'm saying okay because I've been doing meditation for a few years now, on and off, and this session has been very different for me. So, root chakra was okay session for me. That week was perfectly fine. As we move to sacral chakra and the solar plexus chakra, that is where I experienced some really amazing kind of experiences. First of all, I feel a lot of peace. I feel calmness within me. I feel a lot relaxed, and I feel overall very uh, collected together as a person from my mindset and from my thought process. Now, if I talk about my experiences in the professional side, in my work, dealing with clients was a little bit difficult initially. I had to do a lot of talking with the clients, and still I used to lose a lot of clients. But now my communication has cleared a lot. So maximum one or two calls with the client, one or two meetings with the clients, and I get the work. That has been a very good change in my life professionally. Um, on the other hand, when I talk about myself personally, I was a person who used to get angry, who used to trip onto even the smallest possible things. But now have I can say that I have controlled my anger to a very good extent. So that is another improvement. Overall, my experience has been really good. I feel truly blessed, and I'm really thankful to Guru Jainma. Thank you so much.
First of all, let me thank you for this such a wonderful, blissful experience that I had during these few weeks. There have been a lot of small and major changes, I would say, that I experienced throughout. And one major thing, what I noticed in myself was I was so much willing to accept new changes, challenges in my life, and which is something I never thought I could actually be taking up. It was something beyond my comfort zone. And there, during this course, there was some incident that happened in my life. Which otherwise, if I had not, I personally felt if I had not probably been doing these meditations, I would have probably fallen apart. I would have been very much mentally disturbed. But it's probably the divine energies and the blessings that I've received throughout these weeks. I was very strong, and it really didn't affect me the way it would have affected me probably if it have happened a few months or a few years back. And these things, major changes, what I noticed was after the throat chakra meditations, the level of confidence in me has increased. I was willing to open up and speak up for myself, and situations in life where I feel that I shouldn't be speaking, it gave me the courage to speak up for myself. And I'm very grateful for this beautiful experience that I have been through all these weeks.
I'd like to begin by expressing immense gratitude towards Guruji and Ma for letting me be a part of such beautiful opportunity and such a meditation session through which I have felt tremendous changes in my life, be it physically or mentally. In every aspect of my life, I've gained a lot more confidence. Early on, when I started meditating, sitting at one place for more than 5 minutes was a huge task for me, and concentrating while meditation also was a very big task for me. Daily, when I started practicing meditation, it became a bit better for me, but I still was having problems visualizing colors and feeling vibrations throughout my body while performing chakra meditation. But it all started working very beautifully for me when I even attended the distance healing session. And when I was attending the distance healing session, while performing my chakra meditation, I was able to visualize colors a lot more better. I was able to feel immense vibration throughout chakra meditation, for each and every body part that I was doing it for. When I came back from United States, leaving my flight training for a couple of conversion papers back home, I was not doing physically very well. But off late, I have recovered from every problem that I was facing, and I've never been better. physically. For past 1 month since I was done with my conversion papers, I was waiting for a call from my school back in the United States so that I can go and resume my flight training. I wasn't really getting a call from them, but just about 4 to 5 days ago, I got a call from them as well. So what I basically saw is that all the blockages, be it physically or in my career aspect, have been clearing off very well for me, and I'm able to focus a lot more better. So I'd like to end by saying that thank you, Guruji and Ma, for letting me be a part of such a wonderful experience. And I'm looking forward to attending such more sessions. Thank you so much.